Hello friends, welcome to Nature Meditation Music. This is a 10 minutes guided meditation session for beginners. If you never had meditated, do not worry, I will guide you. If you will do daily practice of meditation, you will get to see its instant benefits. It will encourage a healthy lifestyle, provides mental clarity, increases energy, reduce anxiety, reduce pain, increase self-awareness, helps you sleep, and most importantly, it will make you happier. Now, let's get started. The beauty of this meditation is you can practice it anywhere at any time. I would recommend you that you choose a relatively silent place with less distraction. Now, if possible, take a comfortable seat on the floor with mat underneath to avoid earthing. You can sit in any asana that you are comfortable in. Dhyan Mudra, also known as Samadhi Mudra, is best for meditation. Although you can keep your hands anywhere whichever is more comfortable to you. Now let's begin. Just close your eyes. Keep your back straight. If you are a complete beginner, you can take a support of wall if you need it. Do not bend your back. Keep a smile on your face. Now, take a deep breath through your nostrils and exhale slowly through your nostrils. Do this for a thrice. Now, bring your complete focus on your normal breath, natural breath. Do not try to control your breath. Breathe it naturally. Let's happen it naturally. Watch it from a distance. Do not pass any judgments. Just watch your breath. It will come to your nostril. It will exhale through your nostril. Observe it carefully. Pay attention to each and every inhalation and exhalation process. Thoughts will arise. Do not consider it is something new which is happening to yourself. It is a natural process. Now, do not focus on thoughts that is arising. Bring your attention back to breathing. Do not make any judgments on your thoughts, whether it is good or bad. If it is good, it is alright. If it is bad, then it is also alright. Ignore it. As long as you will watch, it will increase by more. Do not even a single inhalation or exhalation should pass without your notice. Be alert, be attentive. Simply notice the feeling of breath going in and out. Focus your entire attention on the rim of your nostrils. When one inhalation is complete and before exhaling begins, there is a brief pause. Notice it and notice the beginning of exhaling. When the exhalation is complete, there is another brief pause before inhaling begins. Notice this brief pause too. If you hear any distractions in your background, do not get irritated. Simply bring back your attention at the entrance of your nostril. It takes time and it takes energy. It also takes great determination and discipline. Breathing is a universal process. All living things breathe in essentially in the same manner. This is one of the reasons that breathing is chosen as the focus of meditation. Now, in spite of your concerted effort to keep the mind on your breathing, the mind may wander away. It might take you to past experience and suddenly you may find yourself remembering the things you have done in past. As soon as you notice that your mind is no longer on your breath, mindfully bring it back to. Do not let a single breath should pass without your notice. Simply notice the feeling of your inhaling and exhaling. Breathe as it goes in and goes out right at the rims of your nostrils. As you continue your practice, your mind and body become so light that you may feel as if you are floating in the air or on water. You may even feel that your body is springing up in the sky. That's what the beauty of meditation. Now open your eyes. Peace, calm, serenity. That's what your body is feeling right now. Each and every cell in your body is grateful to you for completing this session. Be proud of it. You have done it. Thanks to universe. Promise that you will remain cheerful all day long. Promise to yourself that you will do meditation daily. So friends, how was it spending time with yourself? Take out just 10 minutes for this session. You will soon begin to feel a calmness within your mind. Every day, you will come up with new observation. It is an exciting journey. Be a part of this journey. So friends, that's all for this video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from me. My name is Arpit and I thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.